Hi, this is Frank Lefebvre, founder of On Fire to Retire. I have a new marketing funnel for you. Okay, we're in my inbox. Today is February 14th, 2018. Happy Valentine's Day. And this is today already. Now, what I want you to look at is new members. We just got one in the last couple minutes. And I want you to look at new members, webinar, and how I fired my boss, because these are all. I'm going to scroll down through this, my inbox. Now, I just created this webinar, 12-minute webinar on demand, I called it, last week. So I just started advertising it here. But you can see the subscribers I'm getting to it. If you're not in viral ad space, you got to join that. But look at the new members now. Then there's How I Fired My Boss, new members, new members. This is this month. Okay? This goes back to January 15th. And we did really good over New Year's and Christmas too. Here's the page. It's real simple and clean. And I made this on the Splash Builder. And this is what you're going to get. And this is what's bringing in all them results. All right. The other one is How I Fired My Boss. So since I can share 3 capture pages with the shared campaign, I threw together this one and also this one. Okay, so if you jump on these, you'll be advertising them before I do because they're brand new. Been there, done that, did this. Join webinar in progress. So they all go to the webinar series. So we're giving you the exact same tools that I'm using and showing you the exact places that I advertise. They don't know if it's you or me. You know, they're going to join our team. So all you have to do is get out there and promote. We show you where to go. I sent this out yesterday. These are my traffic stats. This is where my traffic's coming in the last 12 hours. My traffic log is so big, it'll only show me the last 12 hours. So there's my top 5 traffic exchanges, top 5 safe lists, and the high traffic sites that I'm getting traffic from. And you can buy, down there at the bottom, you can buy login ads that go over like 7 sites for cheap. I mean, I bought 100 and they're still running. All right. But this would make a great DMO for you. You know, your daily method of operation, your to-do list. Just do these 5, search these 5 traffic exchanges for an hour, send out these emails. And these aren't even every day. Hercules is every 2 days. Pega is every 2 days. You know, Mail Our List is daily. Active Safe List is daily. Free advertising for you depends on your membership. But anyway, this is what I do. It's not rocket science. Okay, let's get right to it. I want to thank Gerald Gordon for letting us use his back office. You log into your AIOP back office. You go to your toolbox and click on Autoresponder. Okay, great. He copied the Fire Your Boss campaign. We're going to start a new campaign from a ready-made campaign. Okay, it's not on the list because I have it. It's just for our team only. It's hidden. So you need an internal ID. We're going to call this, just name it webinar. Then you need your name, your email, your user ID. That's what codes everything to you. And the campaign number, which is secret, 74613. And you hit submit and it's done. And there it is. Now to activate it, you need to click on go. And it'll show the active campaign up on the top here. So that's how you go to it. And then here's your 3 capture pages. Webinar on demand. This is a shared campaign. These are the duplicated pages for this campaign. So there are your capture pages. So we're going to test them out. Name and email in here. And we're going to follow this through. Okay, so that takes you to a thank you page, which tells them to check their inbox and their spam folder if necessary. Okay, I'm back in my inbox. It is. Please confirm your subscription to Gerald Gordon. Okay, there's the link. Now this should take you right to the webinar. Voila. Okay. And it says get back with your sponsor to get started today. Okay. So we want to do one more thing is go back to the email. Okay, so we went back to our inbox. There's the first letter from the series. Thanks for attending. We want to make sure that his name and email is coded right in there and links. Thanks for attending our webinar on demand. $10 really can change your life. Get started right now. So that's Gerald's page. And here's the instant replay. That's your webinar page. And I have a recap and Gerald's name and email. Okay, and that'll be yours. You want to fill out the form and always test. So we're going to take it right to the end. There it is. Your sponsor is Gerald Gordon. Okay, your autoresponder is set up too with pre-written emails that go out for 28 days. There's 10 emails in here, follow up. Okay, I would do one more thing. Take the pages that you want to advertise and set up a tracking link. You don't need splash pages for these. Just go to your toolbox, tracker. Good job, Gerald. Look at him. Okay, so let's just call this number 4, I guess. All right, so this is his tracking link, and that goes right here. Isn't that nice and clean? It's working, guys. And I made all these pages in the Splash Builder. Okay, you're good to go. I'm going to put the list of my top 5 traffic exchanges, top 5 safe lists, and top 5 high traffic sites. If we're all advertising there, it's just going to create a buzz. I'm going to say, what is going on with this program? Okay, so set your pages up and get to work. Talk to you soon.